What's going on, App Grind Nation? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Are you pressed for money and need to make $100 real fast? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 online fast. So, if you're interested, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 online fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now let me talk to my small YouTubers out there. Are you guys struggling to get views and subscribers to your channel? Well, today is your lucky day. All you have to do is just click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to increase your views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. This same tool has helped my channel grow from 20 subscribers all the way up to 300 subscribers within a month. And it can happen to your channel too. So just go ahead and click on that link. It's free to download. Again, it's called my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Just download this software onto your YouTube channel and watch your views and subscribers start skyrocketing. Alright, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I want to give to you guys. And also I want you to know the full method on how to get $100 online fast. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's get it!
All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this app. It's called Depop. And it says here, Depop, shop unique fashion, buy, sell, streetwear, and vintage. So what this app does is basically you can upload your vintage items onto this app and sell them for whatever price you want. Now, when I mean vintage, I mean something that's authentic. You know, it can be an old classic item, old classic clothing. And people out there like to buy these vintage type of items. So you can, charge a lot of money for these items. And people are buying, even though they're old classic items. So it says here, buy, sell, and discover the most unique and inspiring fashion in the world. Depop is the creative community's go-to mobile shopping marketplace. Sell by taking a photo of with your phone, follow friends, and connect with people who inspire you. Explore Depop shops around the world and browse the best in vintage and secondhand fashion, rare finds, and your favorite menswear and womenswear brands. So let's see right here. It says where it says sell, open your Depop shop and sell your pre-loved clothes, original creations, art, and sneaker books, vintage finds, and everything in between just by taking a photo. Name your own price and be your own boss. Promote your shop on social media and watch your business grow. And they also have a community. Said join over 12 million stylists, designers, collectors, and sneakerheads. Discover fashion and design handpicked by Depop's creation team. Attend community events like local meetups, workshops, Depop parties across the UK, US, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and Italy. So this is a very unique app. I mean, they just not only let you allow you to sell things, but also let you connect with people and have meetups and workshops. So that's pretty good. That's pretty unique. All right, let's go down here and see the ratings. So it says here 4.8 out of 5-star ratings. That's real good. And it says here the future is bright. This one person, they said the future is bright. There's a lot about this app that I like. The shipping process is very simple. Leaving buyers and sellers reviews is super easy. So it's a real easy app to use, and they have a lot of things to offer. So you're probably wondering, if you don't have any vintage clothes or anything in your closet or vintage items around your house that you need to sell because you need to get this $100 real fast, what you can do is go to thrift shops or Goodwill and pay 50 cents, $1, $2, $3 to get these items, very classic old vintage items, and then flip them on Depop. So you can do that. That's one way you can do it. So if you don't have any clothes to sell or any vintage items, you can go to these other places and buy them pennies on the dollar and flip them on Depop. All right, this is available on iPhone and Android. So also this pays out through PayPal. So mostly everybody uses PayPal, so you can use that to get the money sent to you once somebody purchased your vintage item. All right, that's it.
Okay, now you know the method right now that you can use to get $100 real fast. So go ahead and download Depop app, find some vintage items like your clothes, upload that to the app, and watch that $100 come real fast. All right, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. As promised, I have a proposition for you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to give 2 people free money. Yes, 2 people free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down below in this video and all my other videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. I'm currently at 304 subscribers, so I got a little ways to go, but I believe we can make it to 500 subscribers because I'm ready to give more money to 2 more people. In my previous video, I talked about how I rewarded 2 people with money for getting to 300 subscribers. So now my next milestone is 500 subscribers. So if you guys can help me get there, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. And how I'm going to do that is randomly pick your comment in any one of these videos that's leading up to my 500 subscribers. I'm going to randomly pick that comment and reward 2 people with $20 cold hard cash or Amazon gift card. That's going to be for the first person I pick. And then the second person, that is the 500 subscriber person, I'm going to reward that person with $10. And both of them, you'll be able to get it through PayPal, unless the first winner wants the Amazon gift card. I'll just email that to that person. All right. Also, I have down in the description below is some free giveaways. Go ahead and check that out down there and see if you're interested in the free giveaways. Also have other ways you can make money, so you can click on those links too. And I also have a Patreon site. And on that Patreon site, I give away free prizes on a weekly basis and give special perks to people that join my Patreon website. So just click on the link below that says App Grind TV Patreon. All right, that's all I have for this video today. Please smash that like button if you like what I talked about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Please share this on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, I'm done, finished, fin. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and watch my recommended video right here. Or you can watch my most recent video right here. After I tell you this, go get your grind on. Because the grind is real. Now go watch my video. Peace.